my mom with me again.
Hi.
Decided to do a vegan Thanksgiving recipe. We know we said that we would do another Spanish recipe for you, but we're kind of procrastinating and Thanksgiving's right around the corner. So we decided to share a vegan pumpkin pie recipe that's super easy, anyone can do in such a short amount of time. And I bought these things at Target, but you can find everything in your local grocery, but I'll have my links down below. And for those of you that didn't watch the first part of our vegan Thanksgiving series, this is my mom, and yeah, just tell them a little bit about yourself before we start.
Hi, once again, my name is Maribel. You can follow me at Mama's Vegan Cooking. And so we're here today to make this delicious vegan pumpkin pie. So here we go.
That was very short and simple and to the point. I like it. So I guess let's get into this.
Okay, this is 1 can of pure pumpkin.
1/4 of cornstarch.
Mix well with this cornstarch. Half a cup of white sugar.
Now 1 tablespoon of maple syrup.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice.
Mix well. Now we mix 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix it well.
Okay, it looks good. Now let's put it in the crust.
It's crust time.
For an easy and simple way, just purchase yourself a pre-made graham cracker crust and just put in the filling, the pumpkin mix we just mixed together, and 1 can should fit in there very nicely.
This will be evened out.
Ta-da!
So now we put our pumpkin pie in the oven. Put it in the middle shelf for 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Now reduce the oven for 350 for 20 minutes. And pie is ready. Now let's take our pie out.
It smells so
pretty. Nice and brown.
Alright guys, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe. It looks and smells delicious.
Yes,
and I'm so happy that my mom was able to be a part of this with me. Enjoy being in this series.
Yes, I was.
So you'll definitely see more of my mom in my videos. Let us know in the comments below if you have some recipes that aren't vegan and you really want to try them being veganized. My mom is very good at doing that. And also one thing, we can top this vegan pumpkin pie with whipped cream. This is the vegan one, it's rice whip. They also have like a soy and almond butter. Yeah, it's all over. But this we found in ShopRite. You can find it in any of your local grocery stores. But yeah, is there anything you want to tell them out there?
No, thank you for having me, and I hope I'll be back.
Yep, so she will be back soon. So I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Enjoy it with all the people that love you and are surrounding you. And if you don't have anywhere to go, come on over. You can come to our house. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.